Baker here, and today I'm gonna do an epic unboxing! Oh my god, it's a Shogun Steel Cyclone set. Holy crap. But we got more! OMG! We got a bunch of stuff. Come on, there you go. So, we got a Archer Griffin, Day Warrior, Shogun Steel. Looks really determined to catch its prey. We got a Hasbro Death Quetzalcoatl 125 SF, which it was on a good deal. And it was on sale, so yeah. And obviously a Shogun Steel battle set. It's really awesome. There's Hasbro toys going on with Beyblades, and I've been really wanting this for a long time. So yeah. So let's get to unboxing of the Cyclone battle set. little Beyblades, the 2 compact launchers, 2 stickers, instructions, codes, and this awesome game. But anyways, please subscribe and thanks for watching, and I encourage you to subscribe.